In a previous video, we used Adobe Illustrator to rotate a vector object incrementally in 3D. And now we have something similar in Photoshop. Using the new Rotate Object feature, we can turn a pixel layer into a rotatable 3D object. Let's see how it works. In this example, I want this cup to be placed on a different surface that has a different angle. First, let's bring the cup and put it on its own layer. So with the layer selected, click on Remove Background, and then right-click on the layer and convert it into a smart object so that we work non-destructively. Now drag the cup and drop it gently on the empty countertop. I said gently! Next, press Ctrl or Command T to free transform and scale it down a little bit. Now, try to match that perspective. Go ahead, I'll wait. See? You can't. But now you can. While you're still in free transform mode, take a look at the contextual taskbar and see this new Rotate Object button. Click on it, wait for it to process, and look at that. You now have 3D controls. You can rotate the cup in 3D and tilt it in 3D as well. This is awesome. You can also use the rotate and tilt sliders here, or enter specific values in the properties panel. Okay, click here to reset. Now see this icon over here? You can drag it to change the perspective of the cup, and that will make it easier for you to match the perspective. Keep in mind that as you rotate this 3D object, Photoshop will show you a low-res preview of it. Don't panic like I did the first time I saw it, because once you hit done, Photoshop brings back all those beautiful high-res pixels. So this is before, and this is after. The perspective seems to be much better now, but what's missing? Well, there are no shadows and the lighting is wrong. And here's how you can fix that with one click. I've already made a video about the Harmonize feature, and this is the perfect time to use it. With the layer activated, go to the taskbar and click Harmonize. And just like that, the lighting and shadows are fixed. You even get 3 options to choose from. Nice. Here's another example where I placed this shoe on this background and then used Rotate Object and Harmonize to fix the perspective and lighting. And another example where I put a lion in a living room, because why not?